In this project we will be presenting car accident detection system.
Traffic accidents claim the lives of many people worldwide every day. Our system, which is an automatic traffic accident detection system, is an effective way to reduce traffic fatalities, and this is our goal.
A total of 838 traffic accidents were reported in December 2021 in Qatar, showing a monthly increase of 12% and an annual increase of 33.2%.
At first, the driver is going to wear the bracelet and the sensors are going to read data such as the heart rate, the sounds from the microphone, and the accelerometer from the phone. If it was in the normal condition, then nothing is going to happen. If the system detects an accident, then a notification is going to be sent to the driver. The driver either accepts or declines. If there wasn't any reply from the driver within 10 seconds, the system is going to confirm.
We designed a system with accelerometer to detect if a sudden movement happened, a microphone to detect the sound of a crash, and a heart rate sensor to detect the driver's heart rate if an accident was detected. Thank you for listening.